Ocio. That is not what that says. This is not the way I usually do it. A short in my When Professors Go Back to Grad School series. It's been a little bit of a quieter quarter at Arizona State. However, work has been another thing altogether. Oh my gosh, we had a blizzard at the main campus and a bunch of pipes froze because it was minus 15. And so everybody had to leave Tuesday afternoon and did not log out. If you have any IT training, you are going to know what that problem is. Oh my goodness. The our live Zoom lectures are actually loaded into our Canvas modules as panoptos for the students to go back and watch. None of that's been working even before the snow issue. And then I thought, well, I'll just go do a video like I'm doing right now, and I'll recap what the instruction was and load it up into Canvas. No. You want to know why? Because no one has logged out. I got a server space error message. So I had to put my instructional recap video as a private, set it to private in my YouTube channel and put that link in for my students. Oh my goodness, what an absolute mess. And our IT department's probably just going to want to tear their hair out when they come back on Tuesday, because this is a 4-day weekend for us, because Monday we're closed for Treaty Days, the Treaty of Point Elliott. I'm going to go finish my tea. Stay tuned for the next episode of When Professors Go Back to Grad School. Dona da go ha'i.